And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
A good Monday morning to you, East Texas. We're starting today off on a pretty good note, as you can see out there this morning here from atop the Plaza Tower. This is a look to the north here across the city of Tyler. 75 is that current temperature. Winds are calm. The dew point at 73. Plenty of humidity out there this morning. And across the state, we've got a couple of showers for basically here from about the College Station area back over towards the I-35 corridor. But everything is pretty light in nature, nothing too heavy out there. And looking at those rain chances, they will be on the rise as we head into this afternoon. 20% to 30% as far as that coverage today, and then about 40 to 50% as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Then a lot more isolated heading into the end of the week and the weekend. Here's Futurecast. This is one model's depiction of what the radar could look like heading into this afternoon, and you can see just a scattering of storms, if you will, as we head into this afternoon. The best coverage will be across the southern half of the area. And looking at another model's depiction of what the radar could look like, it paints a little bit different picture, showing where the greatest potential for the coverage will be. But still, the big idea here is that we'll have about a 20 to 30% coverage across the area as we head into this afternoon. Then looking at those rain totals the next 7 days, this is about what we could expect, around a ½ inch mostly here across most of East Texas. Now, speaking of all this rain and everything that happened in Central Texas, this is a look at those rain totals out that way over the past 7 days. Over 20 inches in some locations. So really incredible rainfall amounts, and that has, as we've well seen, resulted in some really terrible situations unfolding out that way. And temperatures out there this morning are in the 70s, and that's pretty much what we're seeing across most of the state of Texas. 80 in Houston this morning. And as we look here into East Texas, pretty uniform as far as our temperatures go. We are in those 70s across the board, and our highs will be climbing into the 90s as we head into this afternoon. So things are going to be warming up, feeling very summer-like out there this afternoon, and those heat index values could very well get up close to that 100-degree mark. And then we'll start off our Tuesday on a very similar note, with lows in the 70s, highs back into the 90s, and those heat index values once again nearing 100 degrees as we head into the afternoon. So here's a look at the satellite loop over the past 12 hours over portions of the Gulf into the southeastern and southwestern parts of the Atlantic Basin. So here's a look at what we're seeing as far as the remnants of Tropical Storm Chantal. That's up there into Virginia now. That caused some flooding issues for the Carolinas, but as far as any additional development, none is expected over the next 7 days. And Saharan dust continues to be with us across East Texas, and as we look out into the Caribbean, we can see another large plume of that will be moving in our direction over the next several days. So here's a look at that forecast for you today. A 20 to 30% chance of some storms into the afternoon. 92 is going to be that high temperature for you overnight tonight. We'll get those lows down into the mid 70s, partly cloudy skies. And as we look at your 7-day forecast across the northern half of the area, rain chances again, they are going to increase over the next couple of days, and then becoming a lot more isolated in coverage as we go into the weekend. And across the southern half of the area, pretty similar stuff. We'll look at those rain chances increasing the next few days, and then becoming a lot more isolated into the weekend, with those temperatures as a result warming back into the mid to maybe even upper 90s.
And you said those temperatures are pretty much going to be staying the same for the time being, because we're really in the bulk of the summer months right now.
Yeah, not looking at any big changes, any cool downs, anything like that for the foreseeable future.
Okay, Braden, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll be right back on your Monday morning with your job board posting for this morning.